What's up everybody, it's your boy Mad. Welcome to another episode of IK7 Garage. Today we are taking delivery of another car. I have sold the C63 officially, realized the body was just too big for me. The transmission on the older ones was a little bit harder to tune. It was a great car, but it wasn't the one that I wanted to keep forever. Now I know I say that, who knows if I'll keep it forever, but truly right now within my heart I do want to keep this car forever. I have great plans with it over the coming years, and this car is the dream car that I initially talked about in the episode when I was picking up the CLS 63. The CLS was sort of a compromise from this original car, and that car, ladies and gentlemen, is this C63 2012 coupe. My favorite body style. I just love this series, and it is the one that is a facelift because the coupes only came in a facelift. This one has the MCT transmission in it. I just took delivery of the car. The dude who delivered it was sick as hell. He calls me, he's like, "Hey brother, delivering a C63 for you?" And I knew right away he seemed like an enthusiast. I wasn't sure though. I came out and he was laughing and I was laughing, and he asked me, he's like, "Oh, so you had this car transported from a workshop?" I was like, "No, I've never seen the car before. This is my first time seeing the car and taking delivery of it." He's like, "No way." He's like, "Dude, I just want to let you know this is my dream car." So chopped it up with him, took him for a ride around the block. He was super cool. Shout out to Ruben, I appreciate you, man. That was super sick. But yeah, I have taken delivery of the car. This is my first time seeing it as well, so I'm actually pretty overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start. I know the wrap is like crazy. I think it's done really well. It's just not my taste, so eventually we'll take it off. Looks really cool in the video. You know, I'm more of like a grayscale kind of guy, black, white, gray type colors, or if it is a wrap, then something interesting. But this is looking really cool right now. Warsteiner wheels, missing the center caps. They're painted. I'm gonna get the original center caps for that, maybe even refinish those eventually. It's got sick carbon fiber mirror caps. It's, oh my god, it has the sickest steering wheel. So right here, that steering wheel is insane. Don't really like the screen, but we'll figure out what that does. Hopefully it has Apple CarPlay. If not, we'll try and get the OEM screen back. But yeah, this is sick. Very clean car. It's got carbon fiber, the trim on the door panels and in the interior. It's got a sick ass carbon fiber lip. It is sun faded. It is a California car, so we'll see. Now the diffuser is sick. I don't like the silver lines he's done on it. I think it makes it a little too pronounced. We're gonna try and get rid of the silver lines on it and then go from there. The tinted taillights, I'm not a big fan of either. They look kind of cool with the wrap though. So this car ideally is gonna look like my friend Andreas's C63, Nezi C63. I might throw a clip of that car on here right now. And that car was my dream C63 back in high school when I really wanted an E92 M3. That was the one C63 that always sort of steered my heart away from the M3. And I am so excited about this car because this has the exact diffuser, exact wing, I believe the same Warsteiner wheels as him as well, and the lip. So it's pretty much like a replica of his. Well, fortunately not in edition 1. His was an edition 1 matte black. But no worries, we're gonna make this something even cooler than that over the coming years. I'll put the next clips of me taking the wrap off of the car. This scene is actually crazy. I've got the C63 over here parked up, and right in front of me over there I have my B92 M3. Oh man, this is a dream come true. This is crazy, man. Oh my god. And the cool thing is that car underneath the wrap is black, so it's gonna be a little yin yang black and white duo over here. Man, I love this thing too, especially ever since I did the new headlights on it. They go dummy. Kind of hard to see. I need to still give them a polish. They're a little blurry, plus the lights are on. But yeah, man, this is this is insane. All right, so we're gonna be unwrapping the paint. Leave the bumper as a replacement bumper right here. So we're gonna unwrap that. My boy Hamza helping me out. Hamza Customs, stop playing. And then we will be wrapping this car another color that I won't reveal right now because we're not decided. But yeah, you'll be seeing that soon. And we'll see how it is underneath, if there's any body panel work or any damage. I know this is a replacement bumper, so that's not gonna be painted, but let's find out. All right, everybody, welcome to the second part of the vlog. Today we're gonna start the day. We've started unwrapping the C63 as you saw in the previous clip. We're gonna finish that today. And of course, one thing after another. This is the life you live with the German cars. Not really the car's fault, but yeah, we got a flat tire on the M3. It's looking beautiful, glistening in the sun. But yeah, we're gonna go take care of that. See if that tire is patchable. If not, then figure out on getting a new tire. We'll go from there. All right, we got the wheel off. Ready to get it patched. Let's see how it goes. All right, we have scooped the tires. I got one tire right here. We got a Nitto off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a sick, they're brand new. The guy was gonna put him on his Fox body Stang. It was sick as hell. I didn't want to record it because of, you know, privacy reasons in his house, but it was a really nice Fox body with a beautiful blue paint, almost like a mystic blue that came on the E46 M3s, but darker. Maybe one of you knows the paint code. It was really cool looking. But 265 3518s didn't fit on his car, so he had to go 245. And apparently he says he used to have slicks on before, and now he has these Nittos and they hook better than the slicks. So I think I came up, they were only $300. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these mounted. We'll get the M3 back in commission, and then we'll go back to the C63. Let's go. We got our trusty skill tool here. This thing's sick. It's got a ring light on it as well. This tool is super nice. All right, we got most of the wrap off. We're taking the wing off right now. My boy Hamza helping me out with that. This guy always coming in clutch.
There's almost no 3M on it either.
Oh, really?
All in between is just missed spots.
Oh, damn. This thing was gonna fly off anyways then. Cheers. Yo.
Right here, just a little bit.
It's what?
The hairline crack in there is just kind of moving.
Oh, that's fine. I don't mind that, bro.
Epoxy will fix that.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little damage.
And these taillights, I was gonna take the tints off, but the whole time they're painted. So I don't know if I want to spend the money right now to fix that, because with the black it actually doesn't look terrible. I'm not a fan of tinted taillights, but we might just leave it because at least the silver is not painted.
Not too bad on this car.
No, it's not too bad on this car. I prefer OEM ones. Eventually I'll do it. For now, I think it looks really cool.
If it was less smoke
Yeah.
too, it would look a lot better. But
Yeah, I know, literally, dude. But the fact that he didn't do the centers or paint the centers at all, that's what makes it
I think
bearable.
The best part about the facelift taillights
Is these, bro. Yeah, they look like clears a little
They
bit.
look like clears, but also
Yeah.
like just a detail inside. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. This,
when I had my 204, it was
Yeah.
my favorite part was the taillights. The way the
dude, the
lights
way
turn
these
on.
taillights look are so beautiful. I
It's so
love the
simple,
back
bro.
end of
So
this car,
simple and
dude.
subtle.
Yeah.
That's the thing about the 204.
Oh yeah.
None of the new Mercedes we're comparing is how subtle yet in your face it is.
Oh yeah, absolutely, bro. 100%.
Nothing beats it. No turbos, none of that. Just simple NA, just raw car that
Oh yeah,
has everything.
100%. What do we do? Just put the Fisher. What is it?
It's fishing line, so we
Fishing
get it.
line,
Put it
okay.
through because the Mercedes star goes in on 3 spots in the middle of the trunk. So loop it through there, and now we have 3 of them in there. Just kind of carefully wiggle it in so it pops out. Fishing line might break, but
There's clips here. I see
Yeah.
what you're saying. Yeah, I see those little clips behind your thumb, actually, right there. The orange ones. Yeah.
that one's out. So
Yeah,
that one's completely out.
out. Okay, so we gotta take these out.
There it is.
Boom. Oh, the whole thing came off because I unscrewed it too.
Yeah, that's what it was. This is the thing that was staying clipped in right there.
And then I unscrewed it from here, right?
Yep, those are the 2 that popped
So
out.
there was 2 like Torx bolts that go like right here. I popped those out. Yeah, the wrap was done pretty nicely,
Yeah,
man.
they did a good job.
Damn, good
They
job.
have proper R&I
Yeah.
there.
Okay, let's go. Let's get at it.
At least you know the car was in good hands.
Yeah, I think so, man. I mean,
When I posted the car, somebody slid up and said they knew the last owner and he was in California. Apparently loved the hell out of this car. He used to take really good care of the maintenance and everything. So
hell
so
yeah.
far we have good news about it, but let's hope that everything is that way.
That's true.
Plan.
We were hoping, because I don't know what's going on with the trans, but I think it's either a tune or it could just be a trans service. I think we're gonna find out tomorrow, so
Never
stay
know true
tuned.
history until you look into it.
Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, they said they took care of it, but who knows? All right, let's get back to it.
So you gotta watch the curve on these because
Why?
the trunk has sitting at a curve a little bit. So you see
Oh,
which
no
way
way.
it curves a little bit.
How can you tell?
This side's
Oh,
going
it's
a little
gonna
bit
pop out,
downwards.
okay.
So I'm gonna see which way it sits naturally.
Keep spinning it around. It
There
looks
it
like
is.
that. There we go. Money, gang. Let's go.
Back to life, bro.
Let's go. Yo, that's really satisfying. Damn.
Silver touches with the chrome exhaust tips, a little bit of chrome on the door handles, the front logo.
Yeah. Just a
the
small little chrome touches.
of maturity,
Yeah,
bro.
just like the
That's
exhaust
maturity.
tip. Oh yeah.
Growing up is realizing that chrome isn't that bad.
Fair enough. Damn. Okay. That's true. You heard that. You heard that from the man himself.
Kept it on my car too, man. I do chrome deletes and everything.
Yeah.
Offer it as a service. Did it on my own car, but
Yeah.
some chrome has to stay.
Oh yeah.
The front logo,
Yeah.
sometimes the rear emblem, depending on the car.
Oh yeah. All right. So we took one 10mm screw out of here, right?
Yep. Use the electric ratchet.
Okay.
And
Boom.
handle on there.
Yeah. Man, they really tucked the wrap all the way back in there. They did it really nice.
That's how you're supposed to do it. Remove the rear bumper all the way so we can get down on the quarter panels. Whichever shop did this, respect to them. A lot of places like to do this job only halfway and only remove this much.
Yeah.
And just tuck as much as they can and call it a day. But
Mm.
they did a proper R&I on it, completely removed and installed everything, so it's done really properly. Beautiful.
All right. So what do we got going on here right now? What'd you sand this with?
We sanded it with 1500, and then right
Okay.
now I'm gonna throw some clear coat on it. It was really sun faded before, so I'm gonna throw some clear coat on there right now and then let it dry up for about probably 24 hours, 48 hours. Whatever you come by again to throw on the wrap on the front bumper, we're gonna buff it out to make it look extra shiny.
We got the first coat on here. God damn. What are we making? Brand new carbon fiber parts there? What's up? Yo, this stuff goes hard.
The Walmart can, bro. Make it work. If you use it right, use it right.
There you go. Boom. All right, boy. Wow. That's super satisfying, man.
So clean.
Woo!
You see now. I hope it's clean. I really hope it's clean. Careful,
Oh,
careful,
shit, it's
careful.
hot.
Not bad, it's still green.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it is
Well,
green.
I'll take the lipstick.
Yeah, let's see. Okay. So far, so good. That's good because the fluid is supposed to be green.
Wanna see magic?
Let me see. Damn, what the was that? Yo, I got that on camera too. That was kind of sick. This guy, bro, with the tricks. Yeah, so the trans was acting up. I'll throw up a video of what the trans was doing. We don't know if it's the tune. It seems like the clutches are slipping, but we'll find out once the fluid really drains and if there's metal in it or not. If there isn't, hopefully the trans service and the reset adaptation should help it. What do you think, my boy?
This is too hot to be filled right now.
Oh, yeah.
I think we gotta wait till tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Because it's not gonna be the proper level.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
not gonna fill it out properly.
Because
That's
it's
the
hot.
beauty.
Front shock is leaking. Archer is doing his inspection right now. The exhaust is hanging right here. Rear shocks have been replaced. So you got the mechatronics here. Is there a way to tell if it's bad? Does it look weird or no? They just all look like that? Okay. All right, nice. It's not working here. And we fixed the exhaust leak. This thing was hanging from right here. My boy Arjun always coming in clutch. Got rid of that. You got the headers there too.